po yung smart foreheads. Winter head. Cupping. Head clean. Nozzle test. Ground wire. AVR. Ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. Nanilinis ng Sabado. Unused supplies. Nandito naman ang stocks at unused ink at sabli rolls. Sa consumable naman, nandito ang na-consume naming 1.55 roll. Copy jet ink, magenta, cyan, black, at yellow. Naka 2,000 meters naman po kami na run last week. Winter daily checklist.